Healthy heart, long life. This Go to Masterguide will show you how to live a healthy lifestyle by eating wholesome foods for a strong heart. You will learn the importance of maintaining a healthy heart and find out about life-saving emergency care for anyone who is going through a heart attack. Now that you know what will happen if you don't start taking better care of your health today. Would you like to discover how you can maintain a healthy heart and live a long, vibrant life? If I can show you ways to a healthy lifestyle by eating the right kind of foods for a strong heart, would you do it? If your mind is set on what you need to do, then this message is the ultimate life-changing experience you'll need to get your health back on track. Buy now for $29.99 only. Videos and ebooks. Digital products. Buy now for $29.99 only. To sum it up, I will teach you how to identify the type of complications a patient might experience after getting a heart attack. Discover effective emergency care options to care for heart disease patients. Learn healthy lifestyle choices to maintain a strong heart. Uncover the best kind of natural healing for your heart. Identify wholesome, well-balanced foods you can eat to sustain it. And so much more waiting to be unearthed inside. This is just the tip of the iceberg. 5 files. Ebooks. Checklist. Lead magnet. Mind map. 8 videos. Digital products. Risk-free, 100% money-back guarantee. We are very serious about this program and want you to be serious too. Therefore, we will refund your money 100% if you are not happy with the program within 60 days of purchase. Umit Sonmez, copyright 2022, all right reserved.